And we are in front of the new Adria Supreme for the 2025 model, based on the Fiat Ducato chassis for the 2025 model year. Looking straight at the spec sheet for this Twin Edition 25, it's 640 SGX, with the actual Messe price of 83,144. And these are the specs of the actual Twin Edition 25, so you can check it out. And I will be entering inside, firstly checking this great awning light for your front awning, so you get a great illumination. And entering inside, we are already looking this new variant, getting this pretty great black finish. And we have already the big screen with automatic climate control, automatic gear shifter, I think it's 9 or 8 speed, and digital dashboard with all the specs included. Big sky window in front for a great amazing light, and side cabinets for your actual belongings. And this is an styrofoam material. Nice design. From this side, another cabinet and additional push cabinets all around. This is actually made to be pretty light. Yep, pretty nice finish. And we have already the TV with nice large seating that's actually pretty comfy. And the actual table is removable, and also it has this part for easy access on the driver's seat and the actual swivel out. Pretty nice looking. And on this side we have the 2 burner stove with a pretty deep sink and another cabinet on top. Getting down, we have 3 cabinets, and they're actually all deep for all your kitchen cookware. Yeah, nice. And on this part we have the Thetford 90-liter fridge, pretty standard for this size of vans. And then under it we have a big cabinet with hanging unit, not bad at all. And then here another additional compartment. The control unit is from actual Adria spec from their part, and then some small additional cabinets right up here. On this part right here we have the Adria pretty great shower unit, so you can swivel out and take a shower, no problems at all. And then rotating, you have a pretty deep sink with great tap, and the standard Thetford cassette toilet with window. And yeah, we have an additional storage space right up there and down there. This is an interesting door situation, actually makes you feel pretty spacious and pretty comfortable. And getting on the back, we have this sliding up and down bed. It's also almost longitudinal. I will be measuring it from this side end to end. We're looking about 1.9, and then measuring until this strap, so we get a pretty fair amount of. We are looking 1.812 on the longest part, and on this part it will be slightly less, at about 1.7, but pretty wide, and you can get it up and down. And from this part we have 6 deep cabinets all around, and they're actually pretty greatly padded with a lot of hanging for your actual clothes, also inside of the bathroom. Let's go out and check the back of this new 2025 Twin Edition SGX 640. And getting on the bed, on the back. We can check that you can actually lift up almost right up there this bed, and on the lower part you have a pretty vast amount of storage, almost for one bike if you put it like there, one motorbike. And on the longest part 1.772, and from this part we are looking at about 1.7, but you have almost down to the actual front part 3.5 meters if you want to put a bike with the front wheel there. Pretty great design. Additional cabinet space here, and if we open that, you have one bottle from this side and nowhere else to put. Yeah, this is a diesel standard heating. And getting back, you can check the specs of this camper van, and we are finishing off with a wide view.